On September 1st, 2019, Category 5 Hurricane Dorian came through the two northern islands of the Bahamas, Grand Bahama Island and Great Abaco Island. Just devastated Marsh Harbor, tore apart a lot of Grand Bahama, but since that time, many of the locals have come back. We have grocery stores that are open, we have flights arriving, we have businesses that have started to reopen. Even though we had a lot of damage here at the Bahamas Underground compound, because of the incredible donations from people from all over the world in the diving industry, we were able to quickly rebuild, get our compressors running, get electricity back to the building, redo the roof, and because the caves were basically untouched by the storm, we are back in business. We're guiding divers again, and we're showing people the incredible crystal caves of Abaco.
Beautiful.
Oh God, it's cold. Prepare to be amazed.
Suffering from hunger and pain, left by society not to gain, as we rise a human race to survive it. Poverty is everywhere, can't you see it?
Hi, I'm Brian Kakuk with Bahamas Underground and the Bahamas Caves Research Foundation. We're at the South Abaco Blue Holes Conservation Area in South Abaco in the Bahamas. This is almost 34,000 acres set aside just for some amazing underwater caves that are located in the property here. 5 years ago, we were petitioning the government to try to protect this place because the caves are just so stunning. There's nothing like them in the world. And after years and years of trying to get them to understand what we were trying to do, they agreed, and so it's all a protected conservation area now.
Hello, this is the voice of Sandra Klopp. I thought I would give you a break from the background music. So Brian Kakuk is absolutely right. These caves are stunning. And I think all of us as cave divers are very thankful for all the work that must have gone into making this a conservation area. A very huge conservation area, one that Brian is still actively exploring. You can check out Bahamas Underground if you want to see latest updates on anything Brian's exploring or any of the amazing photographs that he takes. And feel free to reach out for some training or guided dives. I had an absolutely amazing time here with Rick Witter and Brian Kakuk, and it is just as beautiful as all this video is showing it to be. So if you're a cave diver or if you want to be a cave diver, I would highly recommend checking this out. These formations are unlike anywhere you will ever see on planet Earth. It's beautiful, and he is an amazing caretaker and guide. I also want to give a shout out to my buddy Rick Witter. He's a very patient model. He's worked with Brian before, and look at how great he looks in these pictures. Ah, I love it, man. And this is super cool here. This mud has been untouched for millennia. I mean, look at the cracks in that thing. It's like it just kind of dried up yesterday and then the cave flooded. But that has been there forever. And Brian will watch everything that goes on in these caves. And he'll drive you there too, as you can see.
So if we orient the map like this is about the orientation of the cave. We're going over that way over there, and Dan's cave is over that way, so we're going the opposite direction. The entrance here is fairly small, but this is not the actual good depiction of the entrance that actually comes all the way to here, but it's just filled in with vegetation. So we're going to go down the ladder. The line starts right in open water, in about 2.5 feet of water, 3 feet of water.
Poverty is everywhere. Can't
Prepare to be amazed.
Right, prepare to be amazed.
and the poor man still dying. Rising from poverty, we keep on fighting. I wanna live in your house. I wanna live in your house. I wanna live in your house. My desire say. I wanna live in your house. I wanna live in your house. I wanna live in your house. My desire pray. Corruption in the country. Poor dying. Let's liberate our people's lives every day. Governments will fall.